Well, good morning. It is kind of a cool morning out there as we're waking up to 50s across most of the area, but not as cold as it was yesterday morning. That's when we woke up to some 40s, and you can see the sunshine now shining on our Syntex Roof Systems camera in Bryan at our 25 studios there. 47 now in Centerville, 49 in Madisonville. We're looking at 56 in Waco, 54 in Temple. Killeen checking in at 55 this morning. So you may need a light jacket. You won't need it later on this afternoon. Thanks in part to the south winds that are out there. This is why you need both hands on the wheel as you're walking out the door and getting in your car this morning. The wind can blow you around a little bit, and it will blow you around more this afternoon as we see those winds increase to around 15 to 20 miles per hour. 62 by 9 o'clock will be in the low 70s by noon, and later on this afternoon topping out in the upper 70s, which is about where we should be this time of year. Our normal 79. We have been as warm as 94. Today, though, we're going to see those temperatures closer to normal in the upper 70s and lower 80s across most of the area, and then tonight falling down into the 60s for the most part. Now, we will see that humidity increase here over the next few days. I mentioned this yesterday. We had those dew points in the 40s and the 50s yesterday, and today we'll see those dew points increase to the 60s and the 70s. That's important because that's a measure of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, and as you get those higher dew points, there's more moisture for incoming systems to interact with. That's going to happen starting Friday, when I do expect showers and thunderstorms to break out. I'm giving it about a 50% chance on Friday, and some of those could be strong to severe. The timing's still a little wonky in the models. That's something that we'll be resolving here over the next few days. Then we get into Saturday, still some thunderstorm chances, and Sunday as well. So there could be multiple days of storm chances on the way, and some of those could be strong to severe. The potential for severe weather exists across the southern plains down into the Lone Star State, including parts of central Texas. Multi-day severe weather threat possible Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That being said, I think the core of the energy likely passes to our north. That's what models are showing right now, though. And the closer you are to that core of the energy, the better your chance for severe weather. So likely seeing Kansas and Oklahoma seeing the higher chances here this weekend. Of course, if that track shifts a little further to the south, we up our severe weather chances. So that's something we'll be watching very closely here over the next few days. Just a quick heads up, you may want to have those plans, at least with some alternate plans coming in this weekend, at least with those storm chances coming back in. 79 here today, low 80s taking you through the end of the week. We'll be in the mid 80s for the weekend, and then look at those temperatures hanging around the mid 80s next week too. Best storm chances Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Could still have some lingering storm chances on Monday, and in the Brazos Valley, more of the same. Those storm chances this weekend could even be pushing upper 80s next week.
A night